Hi guys, quick update. I'm still using a phone camera, so thanks for understand. The quality of the video is not going to be good, better. But I'll try to get a camera. I haven't found the one yet, but I will get it. Thank you. So far from last video, I've added some features and parts. This outer shell. Let's get rid of it. Okay. So I've added a stator blade and a secondary compressor blade. What I trying to achieve here is created a venturi to make air velocity faster and slightly compress the air. But then these stator blades, I could not do it in one piece because my printer capacity is 9 inch, but this is more likely 12 inch. So I had to create individual blades, which is only choice I have, as well as this outer shell. I had to make it 4 different shells to make it fit in my printer. So the stator will change the direction of the airflow, and then it'll received by a secondary compressor blade and trying to see what it does. And also added a bearing inside. I'm not sure if I can show you. Maybe I can. Alright, there's a bearing, also thrust bearing. I've already ordered from Amazon. It didn't cost much. It's already delivered here. I can show you in a minute. So standard shaft is 1/2 inch, so bearing will be ID will be in 1/2 inch. So also thanks for the comment on the dovetail design. I actually like those comments because the comment might be like written by somebody who has more experience on design than me, so I really appreciate it. At this point, I'm just gonna try this even if it breaks, and because I already printed, I'm a little bit lazy, but yeah, I will just try it and see what it does. But then this back fan blade, I slightly changed the concept of it. I made a rectangle and then added a tooth in there and also try to see what it does. This is so far I got on the model side. On the hardware side, I haven't got much other than adding some bearings, but then next thing I'm going to do is I will print all these individual parts and assemble it and try to come back to you guys. So the hardware side, I don't think I showed you last time on this because this cover was on, but then I took this cover off and a little bit big. That's fine. So center is aluminum shaft. I milled on both sides and drilled and tapped on the center, and all this center core will be printed part with PETG material, pretty sturdy, and the gray part is PLA. Not sure I mentioned these blades. These blades are printed by ABS. It's got some flex to it, and also the bearings. I got it from Amazon, and also there's a thrust bearing, which is from the pressure of tightening all together. Yeah, so I'll print the rest of the part and then come back to you guys. Not much to change on hardware, but that's it for today. Thanks.